Wow. That was awesome. Yeah, that was sick. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm in Alexandra Palace. What's up, guys? Look at all that. Look. About a minute ago, there was giant lights over here. Giant lights. I don't know. Who's he saying that? Wow, this place is so awesome. I'll show you this place. That place is just awesome. Anne, where are they gonna put it? Nerede yapacaklar?
Şurada gösteriyor da herhalde yapmadılar. Gelin gördük gidelim.
You guys can zoom in.
See it. Ama bir şey.
Can you guys see that? Bonfire night, but unfortunately there's none in Alexandria. I don't know why. So you guys just, I don't know if I caught that. It's meant to, I think it's on the 7th. I think it's on the 7th. Wow. There's a train coming past. There's really nothing here. There was just a strong light, a strong green light going towards the building there. But unfortunately it's just gone. I was going to show you guys, but I forgot to record it. Wow, whoa! Whoa! Look at that place. If you guys zoom in, you will see that. Look, see? It's quite blurry because I zoomed in a lot. Wow, that was awesome. But this was not a good bonfire night. I don't know why, but on the 7th they're making it awesome, so I'm gonna record it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. So please like, subscribe, and peace.